Alright, so here is the next gear. I'll actually post a screenshot of the plans, show you which ones I'm doing, which one this is. Put it on the lathe in a second, clean it up. I've got about 20 thou to take off this face. Same on here, and then I can give this a skim, bring the outside diameter of the gear down to size, and then I'll chuck it in the forge jaw. This is a recess for like a clamping fork, a fork that goes in for changing the gears, changing the speeds. That'll get cut off. That's just on there to clamp in the chuck so that I can turn this side and bore them out. So let's go and give it a go. So there we have it, turned up gear blank. Really happy with how the fabrication went on that, the silver solder. It's gone right through. You can just see the silver ring all the way in. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, really nice. Just time to turn the teeth on it now. You've seen my progress on the gears, coming along nicely. I had to order 4 of them, 4 of the castings, so you'll see in a future video me machining those up and cutting the teeth. I just didn't have the material here, and it ended up being more expensive to order like a 4-inch cast iron billet, and trying to cut that, yeah, it was just more expensive, so actually the castings were the better price this time. So in the interim, I'm going to start working on these are the bearing tops. These have oil pots built on top, and the gear sliders slide on top of these. So yeah, I'll be working on them. I've got 4 to do, actually 3 to do. One of them has an oil pot on it because it doesn't have a slider. So yeah, just follow along. You've seen the other side, how it came out. I think it looks really good. On this one, there's only one pivot directly in the centre of the 2 bearings here. So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is join these 2 with a piece, and then I'll make the pivot up from that. I'll drill and tap this and make a nice looking pivot, and then I'll build up the oil boxes and the selector guides on top of these after that. Not quite sure how I'm going to bridge this gap yet, but I'll work it out.